September is here, which means autumn is just around the corner and plums are starting to show up on the tree. So let's make this delicious plum and brown butter granola loaf that's perfect for breakfast. Here I've got some plums from my tree that I cleaned and chopped up, and then I added in some brown butter that I caramelized because I feel like brown butter add an extra nutty flavor that is so important in that loaf. Cook them for a few minutes, then add some nutmeg, ginger spice, and then some coconut sugar or dark muscovado brown sugar. They both work the same way. And then add some cinnamon and then cook for another 5 minutes until it all becomes like a thick jam. Here I've got some eggs that I mixed with some honey and a bit of vanilla, and then whisked it all together while I'm adding some melted coconut oil. Set that on the side and now add your ground almond and your wholemeal plain flour, followed by baking powder. Mix it all together and then add your waxed mixture. Now here you don't really need a mixer, you can just whisk it all by hand and it comes together perfectly. Once everything is mixed, add some coconut yogurt. I used the All Pro one. You can use normal yogurt if you've got it in your fridge. Mix it, then add your yummy brown butter plum that we made, followed by your favorite granola. You can use normal granola that you made at home or your favorite shop bought one. Mix everything together and then add it in your cake or bread tin loaf, and then just smooth the top and then add more granola on top, followed by a tiny bit of sprinkle of cinnamon. Bake it until it's ready. Now this cake is more of a hybrid between bread and loaf, and it's super tasty and good to eat it warm or cold, but I like to heat it up and add a bit more butter. And who doesn't love butter on their loaf? Have it as a good alternative breakfast on the go or with some tea in the afternoon. Enjoy.